Have you ever noticed that in Arabic, tiny marks and dots can completely change how a word is read? Today, we'll discover the letter ta and the short vowel fatha, and by the end, you'll be able to read Arabic syllables and real words with them. We'll also learn how to say good evening in Arabic. Hello, welcome to Dr. Ulhaj channel, where learning Arabic is simple, fun, and family friendly. In this lesson, I'll walk you through the letter ta step by step. But not just that. You'll also meet your very first short vowel, fatha, a small line above the letter that gives it the sound a. By the end, you will know how to read words that combine ba, ta, the long vowel alif, and the short vowel fatha. Meet the letter ta. Its sound is t, similar to the t in tan. Listen closely. T, t, t. Its special feature? 2 dots above the letter. So keep this in mind. T, 2 dots. Now let's see how ta changes shape depending on its place in the word. At the start, it looks like this, like in the following examples. In the middle, it connects on both sides, like in these examples. At the end, it finishes the word as in these examples. No matter the shape, the sound stays the same. Let's practice a few simple words with ta. First word. Repeat after me. T.
T.
A.
A.
Ta.
Ta.
B.
B.
Tab.
Tab.
Second word. Say it with me. B.
B.
A.
A.
Ba.
Ba.
T.
T.
Bat.
Bat.
A.
A.
Bata.
Bata.
You are already reading Arabic words using the letter ta. Now it's time to practice writing the letter ta. Print out the handout I shared with you in the first comment. Grab your pen and get ready to follow along. For more descriptions, please review the letter ba in lesson 2. Full form. Curve along the line, then add 2 dots above. Initial form. Small opening curve, stop, 2 dots on top. Medial form. Short line, then the connecting curve, add 2 dots above. Final form. Curve and close. Finish. Then place 2 dots above. Now let's practice writing the word bat. Start with ba, 1 dot below, then alif, finally ta with 2 dots above. That gives us bat. Let's try another word. Ta-ba. Start with ta, 2 dots above, then alif, then ba with 1 dot below, then another alif, That gives us taba. Now, let's introduce the short vowel fatha, a small line above the letter. It adds the sound a after it. So, if this is t, this one is pronounced ta, and compare them to ta. Let's read the following chart together to discriminate no vowel, short vowel, and long vowel. T, ta, ta. B, ba, ba. Let's practice a few simple words with fatha. First word, repeat after me. T, a, ta, b, tab. Second word, say it with me. T, a, ta, b, tab. A, taba. T, tabat. A, tabata. You're already reading Arabic words with the short vowel fatha. Please go back to your handout and practice reading more words with fatha on your own. You can also use the comments section to share your reading and check how others read them too. Now we are going to learn two phrases to say good evening in Arabic. When you meet someone in the evening, you can say Masa'ul khair, and the reply is Masa'un nur. Let's try it together. I will say Masa'ul khair and you answer Masa'un nur. Masa'ul khair.
مساء النور.
Try it with someone else.
مساء الخير. مساء النور.
Great job. This way, you are learning another way to greet someone in Arabic. Great work today. You've learned the letter ta, its sound, its shapes in every position, and you learned the vowel fatha, and you practiced reading and writing real words. We even added a useful greeting for daily life. If this lesson helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends who also want to learn Arabic. And don't miss the next video on Friday. We'll move on to the letter tha. See you next time.